Welcome to another segment of Jamaica Caana. Today we are in the beautiful island of Grand Cayman and we'll be at Sam's Quality Jerk and more. Today we'll be meeting up with restaurant manager Pauline. This restaurant is owned and operated by Jamaican family, Sam and Alma, who are not here today. We will be heading inside to speak with Pauline. Come with me. So Pauline, good morning. How are you doing today?
I am doing great today.
Pleasure meeting you.
My pleasure meeting you.
I was told that you're from Jamaica.
Sure.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
I am from St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth, all the way from Yard, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Good. All right. How long have you been in Grand Cayman?
About 15 years.
15 years. Oh, so how long since Sam's restaurant has been running?
Almost 6 years.
Wow. Okay. So you cater Jamaican food and any other locals?
All the way Jamaican food or Caymanian food.
Okay. So what's on the menu today?
For today's menu, for the breakfast, we have ackee and saltfish, stewed chicken, cornmeal porridge, and fried dumpling.
Wow.
And
Strictly
for
Jamaican.
lunch, all Jamaican.
All Jamaican.
And guess what? The Americans like the ackee and saltfish too.
There you go. There you
Sure.
go. There you
And for
go.
lunch, we have fried chicken, oxtail and bean,
Okay.
stewed chicken, curry goat,
Okay.
baked chicken, stewed pork, brown stew fish, chicken and chips, fish and chips, jerk pork.
Wow. The menu is long, man.
Very,
Wow.
because we are catering for all. So,
There you go.
you have persons who come and they want chicken
Yes.
or they want soup or they want the steamed veg. So we cater for all.
So and who's in the back?
Dennis, he's the main cook.
Is the master chef?
Yes.
Okay,
Master
so
chef.
are we privileged to see Dennis today?
Sure.
Okay, good. Let's go this way.
Dennis.
Dennis, hi Dennis, how are you doing today? Wow, you're at it, you're at it. Okay, so my name is Lyndon. I'm with Jamaica Caana, all the way from Canada. So we are here today to highlight Sam's Jerk and more. So I've been told that all the employees are from Jamaica. Where in Jamaica are you from? You're from Spanish Town, Spain Town. All the way from Yard.
Straight
Oh,
away.
straight out of Yard. All right. So how long have you been working at Sam?
We're
2 years.
2 years,
2 years?
5 months.
There you go. There you like it here?
Well, not bad.
Not bad. Okay. So what do you miss about home?
Well, it is
Two different environments, so to speak.
Right.
Yeah. But you take a bit of home, bring here so you can be at least comfy.
That's
There you go. So what are you making for us today?
alright. Some oxtail, curry goat,
Yes.
baked chicken, fried chicken, and saltfish.
Okay.
Chicken, brown stew fish, chicken soup, and that's soup pork.
There you go. So we're living in Canada, and whenever someone goes to a Jamaican restaurant, it doesn't matter what they take, oxtail gravy, that's the key. Okay. All right. So we'll be stepping back outside to meet with the master of the jerk, with Alex,
Yes.
and we'll be back. Okay. Pleasure meeting you, man.
Sir.
Okay, thanks. Here we are, everyone, and this is the grill, the Jamaican jerk chicken grill. Today is the master of the grill, Alex. How you doing, man?
Very good, sir.
Good, man. Looking great, looking good. I was told again that everyone here is from Jamaica. You're from Jamaica?
Yes, sir.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
From St. Elizabeth.
So how long have you been working at Sam's?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. So how long since you've been living in Grand Cayman? 2 years. So you came all the way, so you've been imported. So that means you're the best.
Yes, so they say.
There you are. So today we're highlighting what Jamaicans are doing away from home. Yes, so Sam's Jerk Quality Jerk. I know that you guys have been doing good because when we asked about jerk chicken around, this is the place that we were led to. Okay, so tell me now, is it pork you've got also?
Yeah, we have pork and we have chicken.
Pork and chicken, okay. There you are.
Very tender, very nice.
Very tender and nice, okay, good. So that's the jerk pork. There you are. We'll be tasting a bit of that today, and this is the jerk chicken. So lunch will be served pretty soon.
Right, very soon, very soon.
There you are. Okay. Okay. So I have a little something for you. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Just to show our appreciation and just to let you know exactly where to go look for
This video.
the video. This is Jamaica Caana on YouTube and on Facebook. Oops. What's in your barn? There you go. Only can you can. Mr. Alex, sir. This is also yours, sir. Great. And this is book. Great. Pleasure, pleasure, pleasure. So here we are, folks, and this is a beautiful display of the meat prepared at Sam's Jerk. And Miss Pauline, what do we have here?
Alright, we have jerk pork,
There you go.
fresh from the grill. Jerk chicken, fresh from the grill. We have stewed chicken,
Wow.
curried goat, oxtail and bean, rice and bean, tomatoes, and the jerk sauce, of course, to go with the jerk
There
chicken
you
and the
go.
jerk pork.
And of course, Jamaican ting.
All the way,
All the way.
Jamaica.
Guys, this is an amazing display of the Jamaican local food here in Grand Cayman. I just had my share of Sam's quality jerk and more. I'm telling you, I'm a very picky eater. Hard to be pleased. The oxtail falling off the bones. The curried goat. There's no word. The jerk chicken, the jerk pork. Man, the guys back home, you've got a fight on your hand. This is the best Jamaican food I've ever had away from home. The best Jamaican curry goat, the best Jamaican oxtail. You make sure when you're here, see the sign? Sam's quality. Quality. And the portion is big. Quality jerk and more. Okay, so here we are. So this is a team. Again, this is Alex, the master of the grill. Miss Pauline, she is the manager. And Mr. Dennis, the master chef. So again, these are the folks who make your day in Grand Cayman. So if you do need the authentic Jamaican food, be sure to check it out at
Sam's Quality Jerk and more.
There you go. You have it. Have yourself a beautiful day.